we want application developers to be able to focus on the application. We don't want them to have to, get into the internals of how to run the database, how to do the backups, the scaling. We build the platform for that, and so they go through our user interface and choose what they want, and we create everything on demand. And then and it hooks into our monitoring system, our logging, our scaling system, and backups. Everything just kind of gets that out of the box. So it lets customers focus on what they want to do and not manage a database. We were going through a transition period. We were trying to figure out, what the next step was. We released our Elastic deployments, which were huge because it was the first auto scaling on our platform. And then we made a big decision to kind of branch out into other databases. And as part of that, we built a whole new platform, and it's been just tons of fun trying to build the best thing that we can to help all people, startups, one-man, hack projects. Just give them everything they need so that they can build what they want. Developers go back and forth between anti-patterns, and so it's sort of like shove everything in one document, or until it gets to be a problem, and then you break it back up. And so with Rethink, it was really cool to basically just kind of start with what you would expect from a traditional sort of database schema, but have the query language to let you do what you need to do. It's really fun to kind of step back and say, in a perfect world, how could I build my data model? And then really you can go and look and see what's available. And so with Rethink, as they continue to kind of build on that query language, I think it's just going to enable not just real-time applications, but even more powerful back-end applications. The more we learned about Rethink and kind of dug into the query language, we just felt like it was really going to be a database that developers are going to reach for now and for years to come. And we really see the popularity of it growing, especially with the change feeds and as customers try to build more real-time and interactive systems. It's just a whole different take on the database, which was cool.